Amanda Haynes, your Orlando Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the Mello Group, and today I'm in Oviedo. This is a next generation home behind me. If you have parents or older children that need that separate space from the rest of the home, it's a great floor plan. You have a 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms. Let's go and check it out. This is one of the next generation model homes. You have 2,650 square feet of living space. So you have your front door here, and then a separate door over this way. We come into this beautiful entryway. Over here you have your own private area with your living, kitchen, laundry. And then a separate door to go out to your front yard. This floor plan is very popular if you have parents that need to live with you, older children going to college. It's a great floor plan to give that privacy. And here is the first bedroom. So with Lennar homes, everything has already been chosen. It makes things a lot easier. You have inventory homes with multiple floor plans to choose from. This community has large lots. You have half-acre to 1-acre lots. A very large dining area. Most of their floor plans have the 3-car garage, but the next generation has 2. Your laundry room. All of the appliances are included. As mentioned earlier, you have 2,650 square feet of living space. Notice the crown molding. Nice big island in the kitchen. Darkless stainless. refrigerator included. Here's your pantry area. Beautiful cabinets, your dishwasher, and stove. Tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Another space for your table. Over this way, you have your master suite. Garden tub. Your walk-in closet. Separate vanity areas on each side. And a beautiful shower. Added closet space that we all need. You can never have enough. This floor plan has 4 bedrooms. You have 3 bathrooms. Living room. Lennar. And you can see the lots are just really, really big. Definitely my favorite thing about this community. It's hard to find in Oviedo. So you have your area here that's separate from the rest of the home, and then the remaining bedrooms. Over this way, you have your full-size bathroom. The shower and a tub, and your remaining 2 bedrooms. If you don't have older children that need that separate space, or parents, it's always great for company.